Hello everyone, I'm Sylvia. Our company has been in the computer industry about 20 years. Here are our hot-selling products: motherboard, RAM memory, SSD, HDD, graphics cards, and CPU. Quality is one thing that we never compromise. Our RAM memory, motherboard, and SSD all use 100% original chip. All products we will test more than 3 times before delivery. Firstly, this is our hot-selling motherboard H61. As you can see, we use all solid-state and 6-layer PCB board. You can see it has 4 SATA ports, 2 memory slots, and the socket of CPU is 1115/5. Okay, here we go. I will show you guys how to install these products on the motherboard. Okay, the first step, we use i3-2100. Okay, let's open it. As you can see, there are a small triangle on the shield and CPU both. So we put CPU in this way. We just need to open the metal cover and remove the CPU shield. And then we put CPU on the pins. Please make sure your CPU does not touch the pins directly, otherwise your computer cannot be turned on. Now we put the CPU in this way and close the shield. Second step, insert the RAM memory. We use our hot-sink memory DDR3 8GB. Hold the top of RAM. Do not touch the golden finger. Okay. As you can see, there are 4 slots on the board. Let's open the buckle on both of sides firstly. We need to check if the foolproof and the memory gap on the same side, so we can install the memory easier on the right way than fix the memory. When we finish the RAM memory assembling, let's begin to install the SSD. We choose 214GB SSD as sample. Find the SATA 2.0 interface firstly, and then connect the SATA cable from SSD. At last, we would like to show our hot-selling graphics cards GTX 1016. We need to push the buckle out firstly. Raise the graphics card so it can be inserted into the slot easier. If you want to buy our products, welcome to contact us in this way. We are waiting for your response.